Hello, this is Dr. Isabella Lai. We will be reviewing the diaphragmatic breath from Clinic Session 1, your core tool for calming the nervous system and reconnecting the body and the mind. So now, place one hand on your belly, close your eyes if you would like, and now breathe with me. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2, 3, 4, 5. Out 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2, 3, 4, 5. Out 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2, 3, 4, 5. Out 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2, 3, 4, 5. Out 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing in, feeling your belly rise. Out, feeling your belly fall. Now let the counting fade and allow your breath to settle into its natural pace. Inhaling and exhaling. Feel the support beneath you. The chair, the floor, the bed, holding you completely. You can let go of any effort. Each breath moves through you like a quiet tide. With every inhale, calm expands. With every exhale, the body releases a little more tension. Turn your awareness inward. Notice sensations, the heartbeat in your chest, the temperature of your skin, the gentle motion of the belly. There's nothing to fix, only to observe. Each sensation is information, reminding you that you are alive, aware, and safe. Now, bring your awareness to the very top of your head. Notice any sensations, tingling, warmth, stillness. Simply observe. Move your attention slowly down your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. With each exhale, allow those areas to soften. Feel your neck and shoulders. If you sense tightness, breathe gently into it. Let your exhale melt it away. Now bring awareness to your chest and belly, the natural rhythm of your breath moving through you. Feel your hand rise and fall with each cycle. Now move through your hips and pelvis, your thighs, knees, and calves. Notice any points of contact with the ground beneath you. Finally, bring awareness to your feet and toes, the parts of you that connect with the earth. Notice any vibration, temperature, or subtle movement. Take one slow, full breath in and exhale completely. Your whole body breathing together, safe and connected. Now bring attention to any area that feels uncomfortable or tense. Rather than trying to fix it, simply observe with curiosity. Quietly repeat to yourself, "This is a sensation, not a threat. My body is safe. This can change." Notice if the feeling shifts, even slightly. Each time you meet sensations with calm attention, your brain learns a new pattern, one rooted in safety, not fear. Take one last deep inhale through your nose and a long, gentle exhale through your mouth. Notice how your body feels now. This is Dr. Isabella Lai. Great job. And until your next session, I'll see you in the infinite flow.